Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, hello everyone. I'm here in Australia with 4. He sent himself in the mail and he got soaked while shipping.
Enough exposition, I already know what's been happening. Get back to work now and fix me.
Well, now 4, what rule do we talk about?
Oh, please get back to work now and fix me.
Well, yes, you should be polite, but what is one of the rules that you're supposed to be following?
Not to eat after midnight.
Close.
Do not get wet.
Right. Electronics and water don't mix.
I forgot my rain jacket.
I've been working on a new casing for you, 4. This one's plated with aluminum, or as they say in Australia, aluminium. I just hope it will make you a little bit more water resistant.
Okay, Matt.
I hope I don't find anything else wrong with you, 4. You never know what will happen with electronics. Sometimes things will be working perfectly, and other times...
What are you talking about? I feel absolutely fine.
Uh-oh. Better take a look at this. Here's the problem. Your voice box is broken. Dr. Rossum might not need to fix this one. I'll see if I can reset it, though. Alright, let me just put it back in there.
Voice box initialization sequence starting. Please say the alphabet.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, or Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Processing. Now say the alphabet backward. Yes, I said backward.
Z or Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Now I know my alphabet backwards. Next time won't you sing with me?
Voice box initialization sequence complete.
Whoa, what was that? Hey, my voice is different. Now I sound like you.
Nah. Anyway, I better get back to working on 4. There's still a lot to be done.
I don't know what you mean. I have no other major malfunctions. Except I need to sing. Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer due. I'm half crazy, all for the love of you. Okay, please get back to work. It won't be a stylish marriage. I can't afford
Bye,
a
everyone.
carriage. But you'll look sweet on the seat of a bicycle built for 2.